Una well done o. My name na Dr. Toyin. Today we go discuss how we go fit manage menopause. If you never watch my first video on wetin be menopause, make you click the link when dey top so that you go fit understand wetin I dey talk now. So how we go fit manage menopause? One be say you fit look wetin you dey chop. If you chop more things wey contain calcium, that na wetin dem dey call dairy products, things like milk, cheese, yogurt, e go fit help you with the menopause. Also, if you fit take vitamin D supplements or calcitonin, this one fit help too. And another thing go make your bone make e strong, because you know say menopause fit make your bones make them weak. If you dey exercise too, that one dey help well well, but you need to exercise every time. Things like swimming dey help well well. If you just dey do the thing once in a while like that, e fit make things bad, because remember say if your body just hot at once like that one fit make the menopause, make the thing bad. So if you wan do this exercise, make sure say you do am every time. Some other medicine fit help. Things like wetin dem dey call evening primrose oil, e fit help with things like hot flushes. The evening primrose dey good for breast tenderness, and if to say you get mood swing, you go happy now, you go sad again, this evening primrose fit help you. Also, black cohosh go also fit help join. You know, we talk say this time children fit leave house and the woman go fit come dey feel low. So sometimes too, you go need psychological support. You fit get professional when go do am, or you fit even get unprofessional help. If maybe your family or your friends go fit dey make you feel cool, dey encourage you, e go still help. If to say you dey feel dry for down below, or you dey get problem with piss and all, you fit use wetin dem dey call moisturizer for vagina wey go fit help. Also, if you wan use the hormone for the vagina place, wetin dem dey call estrogen vaginal preparations, e fit come like tablet, sometimes na cream, sometimes na wetin dem dey call pessary when you go put inside your bum bum. All these ones fit help if to say maybe you dey feel dry, or oga say make we go enter bedroom, the thing dey pain you. This kind thing dey go fit help you at that time. Some other medicine go fit help you too. Things like wetin dem dey call beta blocker, like propranolol. If to say you fit get palpitation, or your heart just dey beat fast, e go fit help you. If to say you dey get hot flushes, something like clonidine go fit help you. If na hot flushes dey also worry you, wetin dem dey call SSRI go fit help you. Another medicine wey go fit help hot flushes, and even if your body dey pain you well well, something dem dey call gabapentin go fit help you. Sometimes you go need to use progesterone containing things, but make you dey careful if you wan use this one, because things wey dey contain just progesterone fit increase your chance of getting breast cancer. They don find out say if you combine the estrogen and progesterone, your risk of breast cancer fit increase. Studies don show say if you use just the estrogen, the risk no go increase. So e be like say na that progesterone inside na im go make the risk increase well well. So be careful if you wan use just the progesterone to help control your symptoms, especially if you get things like hot flushes and all. If you dey shark ogogoro well well, or you dey take caffeine, things like coffee or energy drinks well well, make you try reduce am or stop, because all these things go fit make the hot flushes and all the other symptoms make dem increase well well. E get wetin dem dey call hormone replacement therapy. That one na a whole discussion on im own, so I go do am in another video. This video, make you watch am many times, make you share am with people around you, no forget say make you subscribe so that way any new video wey come you go see am quick. Until next time, don't forget to smile because e dey healthy. Bye bye o.